one is specifically for you. You know when you're passionate about something, they like to tell you you're angry. You're not angry. You're passionate. You're passionate. Women tend to get a bad name when we show the same level of aggression for we work, for we money, for we business, for we family like the men. But